fun from A to Z. Clap your hands, now spin around. Let's learn the letters sound by sound. Pencil A is for apple, red and round. Chop it, crunch it, what a sound. Or B is for ball, we bounce all day. Boing, 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 hip, hip, hooray. C is for cat, soft and sweet. She purrs and plays and naps on your seat. D is for drum, go bang, bang, boom. We march together, room to room. ABC, dance with me. Letters and fun from A to Z. Clap your hands, now spin around. Let's learn the letters sound by sound. E is for elephant, stomps the ground. Trumpets loud with a joyful sound. F is for fish, swimming fast. Flick goes the tail as it zooms past. E is for guitar, strum and play. We sing our alphabet every day. H is for hat, wear it high. Polka dot stripes or a star in the sky. I is for igloo, icy and cold. A cozy place with stories told. J is for jelly, jiggly treat. Wiggle wobble fun you just can't beat. ABC, dance with me. Letters and fun from A to Z. Clap your hands, now spin around. Let's learn the letters sound by sound. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. She leaps so high she'll never stop. L is for lion, hear him roar. Let's learn letters more and more. N is for moon, glowing bright, watching over us every night. N is for nest with baby birds. They chirp and tweet their tiny words. O is for octopus, wiggle and wave. With 8 long arms, she's super brave. P is for penguin, slides on the snow. Waddle, waddle, go, go, go. ABC, dance with me. Letters and fun from A to Z. Clap your hands, now spin around. Let's learn the letters sound by sound. Q is for queen with her royal crown. She waves and smiles all through town. R is for rocket, off to the sky. Zoom, 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 oh my, oh my. S is for snake who slithers and slides. He hisses as he glides. T is for train, chug a chug cheer. All aboard, let's learn right here. U is for umbrella, open it wide. Rain comes down but we stay dry. V is for violin, smooth and sweet. It plays a song with every beat. W is for whale who sings a tune. Splashes around beneath the moon. X is for xylophone, tap and play. Rainbow music every day. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. It spins and twirls around the town. Z is for zebra, straight and neat. He gallops fast on speedy feet. Now you know, letters are fun wherever you go.